This is a Prescott. It's 1568 square foot, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. These are Birch express cabinets with Camden doors and a Mocha stain. The countertops, which are absolutely amazing, are Corian, and I believe they're smoke drift Prima, and they are really neat, and I will show you a close-up in a second. This is a home in the factory right now, getting ready to ship. It's not completely finished, but good enough for me to show you. Look at that color. That matches these countertops really well. This is a spot, remember, drawers versus doors. This could be a good spot for some doors. Think about how you're going to use your space. Back there is a Lazy Susan. And here would be another space where you choose drawers versus doors. Pots, pans. This looks like an Arctic white subway tile. It's not strict white. It's a little more ivory. And it goes well with the countertops. This is a Kohler Vault sink. It's got the farmhouse front. And this is what comes inside. And of course, this is a Moen. I believe that's a Cameras faucet. You could take this part out or leave it in. This, I was told, was supplied by the homeowner. It's GE. I'm speaking about the exhaust fan. I'm going to try to get close up because this birch actually is really quite nice. It's got a nice texture to it. It has a nice stain to it. You need a close up to kind of see the different pattern in it. Pantry door is not on here, but this is where your pantry is. This is a little nook for our coffee bar. All your computer, iPad, charging of iPhone, or Samsung, or whatever you may have. That'd be a great spot for it, so it stays out of the kitchen. These are the windows in here. You can, of course, choose to have 3 or more, or you could have windows over the bed right there if you so choose. This is a good example. These are white sinks. You can choose to keep the sink the color of your onyx countertop, or you can choose to make them white. Window over the toilet there. This is a walk-in shower. I'll try to go in it, but I'm not so sure you're gonna be able to see it so well. I'll try to focus on the bottom. This will have a bench in it and a spot for shampoo, etc. here. You got your bench. And your light is up here. I'm told that this is a header off to the right because this has a box out. I'll take you into the closet here. Some extra lighting in here because this home is not lit up. Simple wire shelving right here for most of it, up and bottom. And then some built-in shelves. I highly recommend built-in shelves in your closets. Let us do it. Place for your towels. Again, this one's getting ready to leave. It's not all finished though. This is our Craftsman trim. You can see the back of that. Where the refrigerator is right now. So this is interesting. So here's another thing to point out. On the back of your islands, you can choose to either have this section just straight, you can paint it, you can stone it, you can do whatever you want on your own, or you can choose to have it look just like your cabinets. So that's something to keep in mind, one of those decisions you probably don't know you need to make. And I want to point out that this home has stagger cabinets. So it means they go up, down. It creates a really nice look versus just straight. That would also be a simple upgrade I would definitely recommend. Here's your Craftsman trim. This is just a drywall half wall with an end cap. You can of course choose to have this all wood or rails. So you have at least 3 options there. 3 windows in your living room. And then, oh yes, this nice little fireplace here is actually very pretty with Craftsman mantle. Goes all the way up to the top. Here we have vaulted ceilings. As you can see, it looks very, very thick. Very big showpiece in your home. Might start getting to some dark parts. This one doesn't have electricity in it yet, so we've borrowed some lighting and plugged them in other places. This is your standard tub shower, single sink. Here's a really great showpiece to this home, as if that isn't beautiful enough right there, because that to me is just perfect. But this super, super large pantry has a lot of space. Some of you may not think that, maybe you have more. Okay, so here's one of the bedrooms. And a closet. This one doesn't have the door on it. Oh, yeah, it does. It's just not closed. Here we go. So 3 wired shelves. You can choose how to do this in your closet. This one chose 3 wired shelves and a built-in. Sweaters, shoes. And here is the entry to your home from the garage. This one has a huge built-in bench. It spans the whole wall. You have a sink. And then your wash and dryer go there with these really great shelves, some crown molding on top of those, in your laundry. And then we have the last bedroom. Double doors in this one. I'm assuming that other one, maybe they chose to do an office. You certainly could have a bigger, this same closet configuration in there. So maybe they switched that to an office. And we'll go back in here.